Together. Yeah, oh. Yeah, oh.
Have each other back, man. Have each other back. Let's talk. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
What's up, boy? How you? Okay, brother.
Run! We want to be the aggressor. Be the aggressor.
Cousins. Reverse layup. No. Got it back. He throws it down.
Look, defensively, hey, we got to hold our ground. They're getting into our paint.
Here's Toppin. He's turned back. And he hit him with the finger wag there.
Stop boards and run. Stop boards and run.
Oh, off the turnover. Look out here. Bonchar. It's a running start. Count it and the foul.
This game is just all about physicality. They're just going to try to grab, hold, hit. They're going to try to go to the glass. They're going to try to get away with more than we do. You got to match their physicality. That's real player we need. I'll face guard you the rest of the game. If I ain't getting a rebound, you ain't getting none.
Let's build that lead. Build that lead. Everyone got to talk down there. You got to talk. Be in the gap.
Hey, maybe if you want me to clear out, you want the whole side, tell me to go through.
Rebound, he'll shoot again. Yeah!